they were planning to. What happened is the accused tried to grab the wheels and tried to overturn the car, and thereafter a crowd had come and assembled out there and tried to snatch him away. They also tried to snatch the weapon. The police out there were very restrained. They fired in the air, they fired in the ground. In fact, the bullet which hit the person also is a ricochet bullet. They did it because there was fear for their life, and I think it was very much justified. They act with restraint and responsibility. I just said that place is a very crime-prone place. The mob was violent. We didn't have in those other cases, interstate cases, we didn't have a violent mob who wanted to lynch or, at the most we had an instance where a person got slapped. But here it's a violent mob which wanted to snatch weapons, wanted to lynch the police, so we had to take precautionary measures.
We used to know about the vehicle. Was it from Delhi, Meghalaya police vehicle?
Yes, it is of our Meghalaya police. It was taken from our battalion from Delhi.
How many rounds did the police have?
No. I think they fired about 17 rounds.